Deputy Chief Minister PWD Roads Sri Preston Tensang today laid the foundation stone for the upgradation improvement of Shillong Ding Paso Road in the presence of Secretary PWD Sri T.G. Nengnong, Chief Engineer NH, Sri B. Marak, Chief Engineer PWD Standard, Sri G.K. Marak, PWD officials and others. The road is among the 100 road projects selected under Phase 1, sanctioned under the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project MITP, a World Bank EAP. As part of the road improvement for the road section, the existing single-lane road would be converted into two-lane corridor with a total length of 11.769 kilometers. Funded by the World Bank, this project will include widening, metalling and blacktopping and will connect Shillong and New Shillong Township and Shillong Bypass. In a meeting held at Mount Yangdiang Football Ground, Sri Tensang said that once completed, this road will strategically transform the core road network in the state of Meghalaya, adding that Mount Yangdiang and its adjoining areas will become a center of governance in years to come, with more government institutions being set up in these areas. He said that the road will prove to be a boon to the people of the area. He said that many road developments have been undertaken in the state in the past few years and expressed hope that this project would be an added asset to the state besides easing traffic movement in the state. Therefore, he urged all stakeholders, particularly the residents of the area, to cooperate with the contractor and the officials for the smooth execution of the project.